So I have plans today to install a light bar. So this is a 50, I believe it's 50-inch light bar or 60. I ordered it a while ago, but only had time to open it just now. So let's see the packaging. Here's some wiring. Have a button for on off, relay, wiring, fuse, and this is looks like it's going to be a long kit. There's going to be plenty from the battery to get to the inside. What else? Mounting brackets. Yeah, this is mounting brackets. Oh, this is the brackets for these lights. Well, we need to go to installation guide or something. So this is the small lights that I will install probably for the backup lights. And so this is the brochure. Oh yeah, so the brochure of installation, how to connect the lights with the relay, fuse, and light. And this is how to connect the small lights, or how to connect to the bar. So I never did it before, so I'll take you guys along with me. And this is the main part. I will not take everything out, but as you can see, so it have a flood and a spot. So as you can see, the different type of the bulbs setup. This is the connections. This is the mounting side. Yep, so my plans today to install it on this beauty. It's 99 Ford F350 that I'm slowly making it for a newer one for 2010 year, kind of. So let's install it. This is all the hardware it's only for the light bar that goes on the roof. So we have those brackets that goes to light bar. We have this one that need to be sandwiched between here, the bracket and the light. We have this kind of washers. It's basically it's locking, and these washers, 2 nuts and 4 bolts. Here's the small ones and the short ones and longer, and 1 Allen wrench key. So if you want to install it on a bumper or on a roof, so what you have to actually do, so this is gonna be on the passenger side. So let's flip the light. So you're taking the bracket, put this one inside and take a short one. So we're taking the locking washer, this washer, bracket, sandwich, washer, and tie it down. Don't tie it all the way yet, so it can move. So let's see how we can install it to your bumper or to your roof. So taking the long one, taking the washer, just like so, to here, taking the rubber piece, will go right here, then go into your bumper, to your roof, like anything. Then you're taking the washer, the locking washer, and taking a nut. Just like so. So taking the Allen wrench key from one side, and the other side it's like a socket or anything, and just tie it down. And I would recommend also put like a silicone, so the water will not go to your roof, like inside the cab. Just like so. And let's do another side. Short bolt, taking just like so, oh, sandwich washer, and tie down. Why is the wire is on top? So you can adjust like so, up or down. If the wire is on other side, then you wouldn't be able to adjust, or it would be like so squished here, like it might work too, but too much of a bending. So I don't see no difference here if it's going to need to be up or down. So I think it's gonna be even looks nice, you know. So Allen wrench, but don't tie it here yet. So we have a few more of the hardware. So take a bolt and washer, like so. And then take a rubber piece, put like silicone, install it into the roof or the bumper. Take the regular washer, locking washer and a nut, and tie it all. One side Allen wrench key, another side is like a socket or anything that will help you to tie it down. So after you know it's tied down, angle where it's supposed to be, and tie it snugly. And it's not going anywhere. It's good to have some extra parts than not enough. So this is basically the easy installation of this light bar that you can install to basically anywhere. So the length of it, it's 52 inch plus over here. So for the 52 inch light bar, that you need to have at least of 54 inch of the clearance from one side to another side to mount it. So if you have a 50 inch bar, then you need like 52 inches. So yeah. And what I was saying about the light, if you flip it over, then see how it's angled kind of. I don't really like it. So, but it might looks easy and clean. So basically that it can do the same way too, but for that's what I want to do. I want to do it just like so. Let's see the lights. So this is the this is the waterproof cooling fan, cooling side. And it's curved. That's what I'm looking for the curved one. And let's see how I'll install it on my truck. I have a different mounting system on the roof. So because I have a different mountings, I will not use this mounting, but I will use this of the hardware. So we'll take this part off. But I will use this part. But it's nice to have like this one is extra. I might use it for this light, maybe. And this one that you can install on a bumper or anywhere. Wiring comes with the button, with the relay and a fuse. Nice zip tightening. Should be plenty of wiring. Let's open the hood. And let's see. Let's get the manual. Wiring. So red is plus, black is gonna be minus. With the fuse. And this one is going for the light. So electric connection. So shouldn't be hard. So for the wiring, This is going to our plus, this is going to our minus. Okay, I will not have problem here. And the rest of the wires. So this end going to your light, and this one going inside your truck. Okay, so let's do the wiring. So let's make a quick test, and you can see on the garage. Let's click it from outside. It's blinding so bad. We've got to test it. Need to test it in the dark. Oh, it's so bright. So it definitely looks very nice. So can't wait to install the one on the back, the two small ones for the backup.